In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and go to WebTrader in MT5. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so even if you're brand new to MetaTrader 5, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on your screen, so you can start using the web version without confusion. First, make sure you already have MetaTrader 5 open on your computer. Once MT5 is running, look toward the very top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu bar with options like File with View and so on. The first thing you need to do is click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to accounts, charts, and platform settings. From that menu, find and click on the option that says Log into WebTrader, or a very similar phrase. This option is designed to quickly connect you from the desktop platform to the browser-based version of MT5. When you click it, MT5 will open your default internet browser and take you to the WebTrader page. Once the WebTrader page loads in your browser, you'll usually see two main choices. One to open a new account and another to log in to an existing account. If you already have a trading account set up with your broker, choose the option to log in. You'll typically be asked for information like your account number and password, and sometimes to select the correct server for your broker. Make sure you enter these details carefully, since small mistakes can prevent you from logging in. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to open an account. The website will guide you through a form where you provide your basic details and choose your account type. Take your time with this part, reading each field and making sure everything is accurate, because this information will be tied to your trading account and funds. After you've either logged in or finished creating your account, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts might include confirming your email, agreeing to terms and conditions, or choosing trading settings like leverage or base currency. Just move through each screen step by step, clicking next or continue when you're ready. Once you've completed the prompts, you'll be taken into the MT5 WebTrader interface, where you can start viewing charts, placing trades, and managing your account directly